has a lot of power to create an environment where his or her employees are going to make better decisions. For example, how they get to work. You can either make it really easy for people to park, or you can make it easier for people to take public transportation. And that one decision alone could probably mean a doubling of the amount of physical activity of your employee. You know, I ran a company and we were downtown Minneapolis. We didn't have our own parking lot, but we had been reimbursing for parking. I flipped it, so I didn't reimburse for parking anymore. If you wanted to drive, you paid your own. If you wanted to take a bus, however, I would pay for that. And if you wanted to bike or walk to work, I would also pay you for that. And it turns out that that was much less expensive than buying gym memberships. And I could engineer in 4,000 or 5,000 steps into my employee's day without them really even thinking about it, by just kind of thinking about incentives.